Hi again, welcome to my latest video. Well, in this one, I'm going to do a quick product review. It's a folding keyboard, portable folding keyboard. And it's made by a company called Samsers. And they've asked me to review this. They sent it to me to look at it, full disclosure. Although it's not going to affect my review at all. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about it as I take a look at it. It's supposed to support Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, anything that has Bluetooth connectivity. It should be able to connect to as a portable keyboard. So I'm going to open this up, we'll take a look at it, and see what its functions include. Okay, here it is. Let's open this box up, see what we got in here. Well, a little instruction pamphlet. I'll have to take a look at that, make sure I can understand it with all the features that it has. It's a lot here, actually. A bit more than I thought, so I'll have to look at it and brief you once I've taken a look. Let's look inside the box. See, right off the bat, we have the actual keyboard here. There we go. And how does this work? Looks like it opens up this way. So it's a reduced size keyboard, plus it looks like a mouse pad here. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this off. It had a little tear on it. Yeah, because it shows left mouse button, right mouse button, so I'm sure this is the same as a laptop would have. See the keys? They feel pretty good. They're not too soft. They're not mechanical, but it's about as good as most laptops I've worked with recently. It's supposed to have the functions to switch by using the function key and I think 1, 2, 3. So you have up to 3 devices you can support. So you hold function and hit which one you want to talk to. So whichever one you've established to a particular device, whether it's an iPhone or something similar, iPad or your PC even, it should be able to connect. Folds up nice and easy. It seems to be magnetic because it doesn't flop when I close it. So it's held together with magnetism, okay? It's got cushions on the entire bottom, so it looks pretty good. Let me see what else is in the box. What does it have here? Oh, this is a stand. So if you want to use your iPhone or something similar, Android, it would go like that into it. You can tilt to different angles to suit your needs. And it's, made of plastic, but it seems to function okay. So I'll leave that out and I'll try it. Anything else in here? Yeah, there's a cable in here. Oh, the charging cable. So I'm sure I'll have to charge it and make sure that it's fully charged before I move on. USB-A. And looks like USB-C. That's great. Standard USB-C connector there. So I'll use that to charge it up, and then I'll come back and I'll hook it up and see how it works with a phone. Okay, let's see how this thing works now. The first thing I have to do is I have to turn it on. There's a switch here to push to the down position for on. Right now, it's blinking number 1. It's trying to connect to channel 1. Doesn't see anything, so it gives up. If I want to decide which of the 3 channels to connect to, I have to decide which one I want with these 1, 2, and 3, but I got to hit the function key. So I'll say function 3. Notice the number 3 blinked. Now if I do pairing, I'll do function connect. It's now trying to connect to channel 3. So what I'll do on the phone here is I'll go in and try the Bluetooth connection. It sees Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard. That's the device according to the instructions. So I'll click on that. It's now connected. The light blinks, we're good. So what I will do is actually try typing with it. Let me get this into an app that I can type into. So here we go now. We're into the notepad. Okay, let me type. Let's see what we got. Oops, made a mistake there. Back up. So it works fine. This comes in handy if you wanted to use your device to type in a book. I don't know if any of you would want to type in the full works of William Shakespeare or not, but you could do it with this theoretically. Make sure you connect the power to the phone and probably to the keyboard as well, though. So until the next time, the link down to purchasing this keyboard is down in the comments below. Take a look. Like I said, I do like the feel of it. Take care.